Welcome to this video on Color Glo International, global leaders in restoration and repair, offering sustainable solutions for a modern world. With a legacy of excellence since 1975, Color Glo has grown from its formal incorporation to a worldwide franchise, providing restoration services for automotive, aircraft, marine, and commercial markets. Our leadership team includes CEO James Miller, President Mike Altamimi, and CFO Anthony Verch, driving our mission to deliver innovative, scalable solutions. We are committed to the science of sustainability. Our eco-friendly technology is water-based, non-toxic, and certified to meet high-quality standards, making it safe for immediate use in occupied spaces. Why choose restoration over replacement? It saves 70 to 90% in costs, provides operational speed with rapid drying, and offers maximum convenience through on-site service. In the hospitality sector, we protect the guest experience by restoring lobby furniture, commercial fabrics, and carpets, ensuring they remain in top condition. For the casino and gaming industry, we provide rapid repairs for gaming machines and seating, allowing equipment to return to the floor immediately. In restaurant and dining settings, we restore worn booths and banquettes, eliminating stains and odors to maintain a pristine dining ambiance. Our technical capabilities cover leather, synthetics, and various fabrics, addressing both physical damage like burns and cuts, as well as cosmetic issues. Color Glo is proud of its award-winning franchise excellence, consistently ranked for financial strength, stability, and innovation in the industry. Restore your assets and revitalize your brand today. Contact us to find your local location or to discuss franchise opportunities.